Rugged phones from RugOne Ulefone sub-brand are literally the most unique rugged phones of all time. We also saw the X7 series that features hot swappable batteries. Unlike old phones where removing the battery killed the power, the X7 series has a small internal buffer battery. This allows you to swap a fresh battery in without the phone turning off. Now that's for the X7 series. Now RugOne has announced another device called the Xsnap 7 Pro. I believe there will be an Xsnap 7 just like the X7 series that consists of the Pro and the standard version. So there will be most likely an Xsnap 7 and of course the Pro. The Xsnap 7 Pro would be unveiled at the MWC event coming very soon. I think it's going to commence on the 3rd of March. But according to the features, the Xsnap 7 Pro features a detachable magnetic action camera located on the back. It's essentially a rugged phone with a built-in Insta360 Go style module. You can pop the camera off the back of the phone and magnetically mount it to your helmet, chest, or a tripod. Now, while the camera is detached, the phone's main screen acts as a wireless remote viewfinder, so you can see what you're filming in real time. Now, the camera module is roughly the size of a thumb, making it incredibly discreet for POV shots. Now, this is what makes the Xsnap 7 series unique. So this is why I said rugged phones from RugOne would be extremely unique. Every single rugged series released by this brand would be very different from the rugged phones we usually get. Anyway, other key specifications of the device includes a 6.67-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The device would also pack a massive 9000 mAh battery. It's going to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset, and since it's a rugged phone, the device would have IP68 and IP69 ratings, as well as military grade standard 810H certification. So these are just some of the few details of the upcoming Xsnap 7 Pro. Once I get more details about the device, I'll definitely share with you guys. But this device, guys, yeah, this is insane. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.